Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope so you all are doing well. Today we are going to discuss about terminating and non-terminating decimals. Now what are real numbers? The real numbers divide into two parts. Some are rational numbers and some are irrational numbers. The numbers that can be expressed in the form of p by q where q is not equals to 0 called rational numbers. Now how we know that what are terminating and what are non-terminating decimals. In non-terminating we have two types of numbers, two types of decimals. Some are recurring and some are non-recurring. Now first of all we learn about terminating decimals. Now decimals representation comes to an end when we divide a number by another number and we get the remainder 0. So those numbers are called terminating decimals. Like we have the number 1 upon 2, we get the answer 0.5. So we get the remainder 0. So it is called terminating decimal. Now what are non-terminating decimal? Non-terminating decimals are those decimal numbers when we get the remainder, means decimal representation continuously infinite with a pattern. If we get a pattern, for example, we have a number 8 by 15 and we divide a number 8 by 15, we get the answer 0.53333. Not as we know that 3 is repeating again and again. So because 3 is repeating again and again, so this is called non-terminating decimal, and in non-terminating decimal it is a repeating number because 3 is repeating again and again. So this is repeating or recurring non-terminating decimal. We have a number 1 by 7. Now 1 by 7 means 0.142857. 142857 means 142857 is repeating again and again. So we get a pattern, infinitely pattern. So this is called repeating or recurring non-terminating decimal. Alright, such type of numbers can be converted into fraction and these numbers are called rational numbers. When we get a pattern, the repeating numbers, those numbers are called rational numbers. Now what are irrational numbers? Now the numbers when we divide a number by another number and we get the answer in decimal form, but the decimal representation continues infinitely without any pattern. We don't have any pattern. The numbers are not repeating again and again. For example, we have pi. Now what is the value of pi? As we know that the value of pi is 22 by 7, but when we divide we get the answer 3.14159265. Now see, there isn't any pattern. When we didn't get any pattern, the numbers are not repeating again and again. So such type of numbers are non-recurring or non-repeating. So these non-repeating numbers or non-recurring numbers are called non-terminating. Now we have another number radical 2. When we take the square root of 2, we get the answer 1.41421356 up to so on. See, there isn't any pattern. The numbers are not repeating again and again. The pattern is not repeating. So such type of numbers are called non-repeating, non-recurring, non-terminating. So if we have non-terminating numbers with repeating pattern, with recurring pattern, so such numbers are called rational numbers. And when we get the numbers non-recurring, non-repeating, non-terminating, these numbers are called irrational numbers. It cannot be converted into fraction. Now see, we have four examples. Now the first one is, we have four questions. The first question is identify. Now the number is 2 by 5. Now solve it. 2 by 5. When we divide 2 by 5, we get the answer 0.4. Now we get the remainder 0. So this number is terminating. So this is rational. Alright. Now we have the second question, 4 by 18. Now divide 4 by 18. We get the answer 0.2222 up to so on. So as 2 is repeating again and again. So here we have, this is called recurring decimal, non-terminating and rational number. Alright, the next one is 8 by 21. Now what is 8 by 21? When we divide 8 by 21, we get the answer 0.38095. See, now pattern is not repeating. When pattern is non repeating, so this is called non-repeating, non-terminating, so this is called irrational number. Again we have an example, 7 by 10. We get the answer 0.7. 0.7 means we get the remainder 0, so this is called terminating or rational number. This is all about. If you have any query, you can ask in the comment section. Please like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz students.